Hi, it's Tim Licata, a co-artistic director of Plutôt la Vie. I'm really excited about An Unexpected Hiccup, Plutôt la Vie's co-production with Lung Ha Theatre Company. It's on from the 26th to the 30th in the Festival Theatre Studio in Edinburgh. It's just been so much fun to work on. One of the best things about it for me is that everybody involved, the creative team, all of the cast, everybody involved has been so committed to making this the best production possible. And it's been so joyous to be in a rehearsal room live for the first time in 18 months. I think we're all really excited to share this with you next week. I have one of the other cast members with me, Emma McCaffrey, who I want to say hello to just now. Hello, Emma.
Hi.
So who do you play in An Unexpected Hiccup?
I play Thelma McLennan.
And what's been the most enjoyable thing or the best thing about working on the show so far?
Terrorising you mostly.
You do that quite a lot.
Yeah. Apart from that, just being on stage again after a year.
Are you enjoying doing a farce?
I don't understand most of the comedy, but it's a farce. I'm enjoying it. There's a lot of energy. It's a lot of hard work after 1 year. But we've got a very good cast, and I think we'll do it.
Is it going to be a great night out?
I think so. Yeah. There's a chippy around the corner.
I'll see you on stage soon.
Yep.
Thanks.
Thank you.
I hope you can come along. It's going to be a very special show and a great night out. For tickets, go to capitaltheatres.com. What's on? An Unexpected Hiccup. If you'd like to support the production even further, go to Lung Ha's crowdfunding page for An Unexpected Hiccup. You can find that information on the Lung Ha's website. Thank you, and we hope to see you next week.